Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best hot plates on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is CusiMax C120N electric burner single burner. The main appeals to an electric burner include versatility, portability, and affordability, and this stainless steel unit by CusiMax satisfies all three. It has a decent-sized burner diameter coming in at 7.4 inches, making it suitable for medium-sized pots and pans. Made with ceramic glass, the plate is easy to clean and compatible with all cookware. Simply wipe down the surface with a damp cloth when not in use. This model is equipped with an automatic shut-off function which is regulated by the thermostat and prevents overheating. Other safety features include the non-slip feet and power indicator light. The unit is powered by 1,200 watts, though some user reviews report difficulty with heating quickly. Lastly, its compact footprint and 4-pound weight allow for easy travel, meaning this burner stows away nicely on the RV or when camping for those black beans and eggs breakfast quesadillas. Surface, ceramic glass, dimensions, 13 x 11 x 3.5 inches, burner diameter, 7.4 inches, wattage, 1200 watt. What we love. Compatible with all cookware, robust stainless steel construction, automatic shutoff for safety. What we don't love. Might heat up slowly. Number 2. Second best pick is Duxtop E210C2 Portable Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. If you already own induction-ready cookware, this induction cooktop will make a nice addition to your kitchen. It's compatible with cookware made of stainless steel, cast iron, and other surfaces with magnetic properties. Induction works by generating electricity to directly heat pots, which helps keep your cooking area cooler. Since the surface area doesn't get hot when it's not in contact with compatible cookware, they tend to be safer. Compared to electric and gas stovetops, induction plates heat up much quicker and have faster cook times. They also tend to be more precise in the distribution of heat as well, something that electric burner users may struggle with. Having a cooler surface means that hot plates that use induction are among the easiest to clean. Food doesn't burn onto it, even when it's a sweet and sticky butterscotch sauce, so wiping it takes only seconds. Surface, glass, dimensions, 16.3 x 12.7 x 3.8 inches, burner diameter, 8.5 inches, wattage, 1800 watt. What we love. Doesn't get hot to the touch, more precise heat distribution, heats quickly. What we don't love. Small burner diameter, pricey. Number 3. Third best pick is Elite Gourmet ESB301BF Countertop Electric Hot Burner. Affordable portable burners might not look the fanciest or have the most power, but they get the job done. Furman recommends this hot plate because it's easy to clean, versatile, and built with safety features. With safety in mind, it features non-stick rubber feet to prevent sliding and a cool touch base to prevent injury, she says. It's a versatile option since it's compatible with all types of cookware, including cast iron, non-stick aluminum, copper, and stainless steel. What drew my eye to this hot plate is the easy-to-clean heating plate. Cleaning up after dinner is usually the worst part, so I appreciate any kitchen tools that cut down on cleaning time. This basic option comes with a 6.4-inch cast iron burner that does have 7 power levels to choose from. Most hot plates are space-saving options, and this model is especially compact. Its small footprint takes up minimal space on countertops and tucks away neatly when not in use. It is important to note that this does not have an auto shut-off feature, so you will need to be mindful during cooking. Surface, cast iron, dimensions, 10.7 x 9.2 x 3.7 inches, burner diameter, 6.4 inches, wattage, 1000 watt. What we love. Reasonably priced, heavy-duty plate, small footprint. What we don't love. Probably not up to big jobs, heats up slowly. Number 4. Fourth best pick is Cuisinart CB 60 cast iron double burner. For larger households or large batch cooking, more burners may be necessary to accommodate higher volumes of food. When I cook, I almost always use two burners, one for the main dish and another for the side dish. Or maybe you want to keep both your apple cider and your mulled wine warm. This two-burner model by Cuisinart is great for these more complex meals. The smaller burner measures 6 inches and uses up to 500 watts of power, and the larger plate measures 7.5 inches and has up to 1,300 watts. Together, the burners use up to 1,800 watts. Both have 5 power levels and separate indicator lights, so you know when to place your pot on the element. Double burner plates are designed to be used simultaneously, but some users report difficulty doing so. Surface, cast iron, dimensions, 11.5 into 19.5 into 2.5 inches, burner diameter, 6 inches, 7.5 inches, wattage, 500 W, 1300 watt. What we love. Adjustable temperature controls, high wattage, non-slip feed for stability. What we don't love. Some users have difficulty using both burners at the same time. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Ovent Electric Infrared Burner. If you're looking for the precision of an induction cooktop with the price and versatility of a standard electric model, consider the Ovent single burner. It uses infrared technology that heats up quickly and cooks food evenly, plus it's compatible with all cookware. At 2.6 pounds, this is one of the lightest portable burners on this list, while still having a respectable 7.5-inch element and 6 heat settings. While the burner is quick to heat, some users report difficulty changing the temperature once it's been set. If you make recipes that require lowering the temperature, such as bringing food to a boil and then simmering, the unit may take some time to cool down. Surface, crystallite glass, dimensions, 11.1 into 9.8 into 3.2 inches, burner diameter, 7.5 inches, wattage, 1000 watt. What we love. Infrared technology heats up quickly and evenly, compatible with all cookware. What we don't love. Temperature dial has given some users trouble. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.